This is the concept of Bohr's model. According to Bohr, electron only revolves in specific orbits. In these orbits, it does not emit EM radiation. EM radiation are those radiation when a charged particle is accelerated. It emits EM radiations. It only radiates or absorbs energy when it goes from one orbit to another. It radiates or absorbs in the form of photon, energy in the form of photon. You can write it as h nu is equals to delta E is equals to EI minus EF. When electron jumps from lower orbit to higher orbit, it requires energy in doing so. It gains energy in the form of photon. When electron jumps from higher orbit to lower orbit, it emits energy in the form of photon. The angular momentum of electron is a multiple of h upon 2 pi, where h is the Planck's constant. For nth orbit, we can write mass of electron into Rn. Rn is the radius of nth orbit, and velocity in the nth orbit equals to nh upon 2 pi is equals to L. L is the angular momentum, and n is the orbit number or principal quantum number. Electrostatic force provides necessary centripetal force for the revolution of electron around the nucleus. You can write the equation as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Ze square upon R square is equals to mv square upon R, where Z is the atomic number of the element. The radius of the nth orbit is equals to, you can remember it as n square upon pi m square Z. Velocity in the nth orbit is equals to e square Z upon 2 n. You must remember that it is not hen hen, it is h epsilon not n. As this h square epsilon naught pi m and e square are constants, you can put their values and get answer as 0.53 n square upon Z, radius of the nth orbit. Velocity of nth orbit is equals to 2.19 into 10 raised to 6 upon Z upon n. These two results you can use in it exams. The kinetic energy of the nth orbit is equal to 1 upon 8 me4 upon n the whole square. And potential energy equals to minus me4 upon 4 n square. This En is the total energy of the nth orbit, which is equals to negative of kinetic energy and potential energy by 2. En is equals to kinetic energy of in nth orbital plus potential energy in nth orbital.